Hello friends, this is Anish from Rattam Stores. What you're looking at right now is a home oxygen concentrator. These are the most purposeful and useful devices in these times of pandemic for those suffering from breathlessness. Let's see how it works. First you need to take out the humidifier tank right here. Take the rubber plug, pour water in it to a level mentioned here, not more than that. Make sure you pour the purest form of water, be it RO water or mineral water. And then put the rubber plug back in, put the water tank right inside. And then there's a power cord over here. Just put it in the socket, switch on the socket, and then I'm going to turn on the machine right now. As you can see, the on off button started blinking up. Once you click it, the process of generating oxygen starts immediately. So you can notice there's a blue light glowing over here, and the humidification process is currently underway. And there is a flow meter over here, which when increased would increase the LPM, that is the flow of oxygen from the machine. And you can also decrease by turning the knob clockwise direction. There is a remote given along with the machine, which can be operated from quite distance. And there are two kinds of tubes. One is the oxygen tube. You need to plug it over here. Make sure there is no water residue in this tank, the small tank. In case there is so, make sure you open it up and take the water out, and then you can start working. So this is the headphone or the nasal suction tube, where you can plug it in the other end of the oxygen tube, and you can put it on your head, and make sure you place the outlet right beneath your nostrils to make sure oxygen would be pumped right into your nose. And there is another way as well. This is one more kind of tube wherein you can plug it in. Right around. And you can put these two things in your nostril, and this way you would get the oxygen as well. So this is how pretty much the machine functions. And if you have any queries, you may contact me at 9848115199. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.